Mediterranean cruises look like a dream, but what if I told you they hide more surprises than you think? Today we're exploring the mysteries of Mediterranean cruises, the secrets, the hidden gems, and the unexpected details they don't show in the brochures. I'm Patchy, and I've sailed across the Mediterranean with several cruise lines, from the classic elegance of Cunard to the fun and modern vibes of MSC or Royal Caribbean. And trust me, every Mediterranean cruise has its own personality. Some are relaxed, some are buzzing, and some will truly surprise you. And it's not just cruises, even ferries are evolving. Today's ferries are better equipped than ever, with lounges, cabins, and dining options that feel closer to a small cruise ship than a basic crossing. In some routes, the difference is getting hard to tell. Let's start with the ports. Everyone talks about Barcelona, Rome, and Athens, but some of the most unforgettable stops are in places most people skip. Palma de Mallorca, Zadar, Trieste, Palamós. Imagine waking up and seeing stone streets, turquoise waters, and no tour buses in sight. That's what you get in these under-the-radar gems. Roman ruins by the sea, fresh seafood at local taverns, and space to breathe. Now, let's talk rules. Cunard, for example, takes dress codes seriously. Yes, formal night means tuxedos, long gowns. It's like stepping into another era. If you show up in jeans, expect to be gently redirected. VirginVoyages, on the other hand, is all about self-expression. From drag shows to neon parties, no rules, just vibes. And MSC? Well, expect to hear every announcement in 5 languages. By the time they finish, you've already missed your cocktail. Here's a tip many don't consider. If you want to book a cheap inside cabin, book early. They sell fast, especially on spring and autumn sailings. Let's move on to routes. Most cruises go either west, Barcelona, Marseille, Palma de Mallorca, Rome, or east, Venice, Zadar, Trieste, Athens. Want more ports and fewer sea days? East is your route. Want a more relaxed pace and bigger ships? Go west. There's even a few mixed itineraries, and in a future video I'll break down which ones are worth it. Now here's something many cruisers miss. The same ship, the same route, can feel completely different depending on the season. In summer, crowded pools, kids everywhere, long buffet lines. In May or October, fewer kids, cooler evenings, and better deals. And speaking of restaurants, let me share a mystery that surprises many first-time cruisers. Some cruise lines charge for water at the main dining room. Yes, even plain still water. Others offer multiple included restaurants or charge you extra for everything. Always check what's included and book your shows and dinners as soon as you board, or even before. Because yes, the good time slots disappear fast. Now, a bit of light planning can save your last day. Disembarkation day means chaos at the buffet. Eat early or grab something light the night before. And remember, most cabins need to be vacated by 8 a.m., even if your flight is late afternoon. And if you want to explore a city like Barcelona before heading to the airport, leave your luggage at the port storage service. Cruising the Mediterranean is one of the most exciting ways to discover Europe, but only if you know what to expect. And now, you do. And if you're curious about cruising beyond the Mediterranean, stay tuned. I've already explored the majestic fjords of Norway and the vibrant ports of Ireland, but what's coming next is even more special. Helsinki, Tallinn, Riga, and some unexpected gems in Northern Europe you've probably never considered. If this video helped, hit that subscribe button. I've got full guides to the best ports, honest ship reviews, and tips to save time and money. Want help picking the right cruise for your style? Drop a comment. I answer them all. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll see you on board.